Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating wireless power theft detection in power lines. So here the power lines and the two CTs, and these two CTs are measure the current on the power lines. So one CT is normally and another CT is to detect the power theft. So there is a normal load and theft load. So whenever the theft is occurred, the particular CT will give the extra current consumed in the power line. So this will be on and off the theft load, and these two CTs are giving the output voltage, that means current converted into the voltage, and the voltage will be given through this driver. So it's a rectifier and a filter and a potential divider in order to step down the voltage which is sufficient for the 5 volts microcontroller. These two circuits are the driver circuits after the CT, and this microcontroller will measure the voltage between the two CTs. Whenever the difference is occurred, automatically it will inform to the server through Wi-Fi module and give the audible alerts. So here, before switching on the gate, we need to do one step, that is enable the hotspot in your phone, and that is with the name of ABCDEFGHI, starting 9 letters, all are small letters, no space, nothing, and the password should be 123456789. Okay, and on the hotspots, and after switch on the hotspot, then only switch on the motherboard. So there you will get some indication of power indication after getting the power supply. Okay, two power supply, one for the load and one for the motherboard. So after the installation of this Wi-Fi, right, light and buzzer will give the 2 times, means the kit got initialized. And here, so you can see the connected devices, that is ESP, right. My device, this kit was connected to the system. And next, install, already previously you need to install one more software, that is Network Analyzer from Play Store, in order to read the IP address of our project. So here I am doing scan to my phone and note down this IP address 192.168.43.22. So in my case I got this IP address. Now install the third application. Next application is in Play Store, type SSH. So when you type SSH, you will get the juice, the symbol, and install this application. So after opening the application, add. So here select type is going to be the telnet, first step. Second step, type the IP address, and third step is, this is very important, 8080 is a port number. So I already write here, I wrote here already, so you can check, excuse me 1 second, yeah, so you can see the steps at each. So write telnet, IP address and port number. So now tick mark, and now open that. So you will see the data is uploading to you. It is. So now I am switching on the load, right. Now I am switching on the load. When it is coming like this, so you just it got restarted, and now wait for the buzzer, right. After the beeps 2 times, then only type here, right, at that, right. So now the status is normal, so only normal load is in the picture. So if you make any theft here, so now I am switching on the theft load, so it will check the current in terms of voltage with these CTs, and if is there a differentiation is occurred, so in your phone you will get that status alert, theft at the line number. Okay, so when it is coming to the normal, again status will be the normal, right. The buzzer will be continuous, means the indication will be there, so you can go to the location and check that. Thank you.